Dear students, welcome to the introduction to the image processing. Here in these sessions, we'll be concentrating on the following contents: overview, nature of IP and its related fields, digital image representation, and the types of an images. What is digital image processing? There will be actually the three word when you split with respect to the digital image processing: digital, image, and processing. So the digital means, the processing of an image which are digital in nature by a digital computer. It's called digital image processing. What is the main motivations of using this digital image processing is, so we can improve or we can see the improvement of the pictorial information, and also we can also have the efficient storage and the transmission speed also increased here. Now let us see, before going to that the image processing, let us see what is an image, a simple image model, what is image processing, then what is the purpose of image processing and the methods that is used for the image processing. And this is what is an image. The image is a representation of something or someone. Examples are any drawing, painting, or the photograph here. The images are very powerful tool in communication, and the images may be either in the black and white or maybe in the color. So often the image is actually represented with respect to the two-dimensional function fxy, where actually the xy gives the plane coordinates and the amplitude of f at any pair of coordinates xy is called the intensity or the gray level of the image at that point here. So let us have actually there will be actually the same images with the two different part here. In the first image you can see actually the origin will be at the center f of x0 y0, and the second image you can see that there will be somewhat that it is top left corner f of x1 y. This picture intensity of this first diagram will be a different, and the second diagram will be a different here. Then the picture intensity value is represented by f of 1 comma 1 is equal to 103, that 1 comma 1 which gives actually the pixel location. Now let us see what is digital image. When xy and fxy are all finite discrete quantities, then we call the image as digital image. The digital image is composed of finite number of elements, each of which has a particular location and value, and these elements are referred as either you can call it as in the picture elements or image elements or pels or pixels. But pixels is the most widely used term. Digital image consisting of an m number of rows and n number of n columns, and each pixels which is represented by the k bits here, and the pixel can have actually the 2 to the power of k different values. A simple image model, to be suitable for the computer processing, an image fxy must be digitized both spatially and in amplitude here. Digitization of the spatial coordinates xy is called image sampling, and amplitude digitization is called gray level image. Now let us see what is an image processing. Image processing is a method to convert an image into the digital form and perform some operations on it in order to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. And the digital image processing, it's a type of the signal dispensation in which input is the image and output may be either an images or the characteristics associated with that image. Image processing basically which includes the three steps here. First, we need to import the image via image acquisition tools, then analyze and manipulate an image, then Output is the last stage in which the results can be an altered image or it's a report based on the image analysis. Next, what is the purpose of an image processing? The main purpose of image processing, it's mainly divided into the 5 groups here. They are visualization, image sharpening and restoration, image retrieval, measurement of pattern, then image recognition. Visualization means observe the objects that are not visible. Then image sharpening and restoration means to create a better image. So once if you get actually the images here, we need to sharpen so that we can create and the better images, and we need to restore it back. Then image retrieval means, suppose if you have actually the large images here, so among that if you are interested only a part of the image, then you can actually only the part of the image which are interested, you can only retrieve that information. And measurement of the pattern measures various objects in an image, and image recognition is it's used for distinguish an object in an image. There are actually the two methods that is used for image processing. One is analog image processing and digital image processing. Analog image processing is the images are manipulated by the electrical means by varying the electrical signal. Then the common example include is the television image. Then digital image processing, it help in manipulation of the digital images by using computers. Then the 3 general phases that all types of data have to undergo while using digital technique are pre-processing, then enhancement and display, and information extraction. Let us take an example here. The image T is represented digitally in terms of like this. Let us take here the 1 represent the black and the 0 represent, 1 represent the white color and the 0 represent the black color. Then another is the analog images, how you are representing in the digital, and you can see it is represented 56, 57, which gives actually the intensity of the images here. This is about what exactly the images, what are the different image processing, the methods that is used for image processing, the types of the image processing, then what is actually the methods that is used for and the image processing here.